Speaking exclusively to Northeast Live, Dinko Singh's wife Babai Gangom said that he passed away after his condition deteriorated rapidly over the past weeks. She added that Dinko's untimely death has turned their lives upside down.
आज तो उनका हम तीनों को छोड़ के गया है। बहुत बहुत समय से उसकी साथ रहे, सब कुछ टाइम सब अभी तक बीमार हो कोई भी हो इनके पास साथ में टाइम स्पेंड करके हम लोग आ रही है। तो अचानक ऐसा उसको जाना तो हमारा बहुत दुखी ज़्यादा हो गया। मुझे ऐसा लगता है ज़िंदगी बहुत एकदम चेंज हो गया है। हमको रहने में बहुत मुश्किल हो जाएगी, यही लग रहा है हमको। हम तीनों को छोड़ के गया है तो हमको लगता है जी नहीं पाएगा, ऐसा महसूस हो रही है। ऐसा इसका सपना तो हमेशा बॉक्सिंग में ही उसका सपना है, हमेशा उसका जब बीमार होगा उस टाइम भी उसको कभी कभी बोले मुझे ऑफिस जाके मुझे ज्वाइन करना चाहता है। मुझे बहुत उसका जो ड्रेस देख के, उसका बॉक्सिंग ग्लोव देख के उसको बहुत उसका जो सोच उसका सहारे ही मुझे देखा है उसने।
And Dinko's children said that they will fulfill their father's wish, who wanted his son to be a highly educated and daughter to be a doctor.
मेरे पापा को मुझको बहुत हाईली एजुकेट कराना था, बट ड्यू टू हिज डिजीज़ उनकी जो डिजीज़ बीमारी हो गई, उसकी वजह से कुछ समय के लिए हमारा जो स्टडी शेड्यूल बोल सकते हैं वो थोड़ा सा अपसाइड डाउन हो गया था। तो फिर पापा क्राइसिस पे क्राइसिस, घर पे क्लेश होके फिर क्राइसिस पे क्राइसिस हुए। उससे लाइफ तो अपसाइड डाउन पूरा चेंज ही हो गई। मैं यहाँ पर पापा के साथ खेलने जाता था, वहाँ पर प्रैक्टिस रोज़ करने जाता था।
हाँ, मेरा पापा का सपना है कि मैं एक डॉक्टर बनूं, इसलिए मैं बहुत कोशिश करूंगी कि वो मुझे मिले डॉक्टर। इसलिए मैं बहुत कोशिश करूंगी क्योंकि मेरे पापा का सपना मैं उनको दे के रहूंगी।
India's star boxer and 1998 Asian Games gold medalist Dinko Singh passed away at a young age of 42 today. Dinko's gold in the Bangkok Asiad was the first in 16 years for Indian boxing, and his achievement has inspired a host of future champions, including MC Mary Kom. We have this report. A legend no more. In a sad day for the nation and the Northeast, former Asian Games gold medalist Dinko Singh lost his final round to cancer today. He was just 42 years old, fighting liver cancer and related complications since 2017. The acclaimed boxer was finally laid to rest at a graveyard very close to his residence today. Dinko was indeed a destiny's child. Born into an economically challenged family, his widowed mother had put him in an orphanage at a very young age as she could not take care of 8 children. As a teenager, Dinko had to survive on a meager diet, but the young lad later developed an interest in boxing. His heart hit poverty and angst, his inner anger was channelized by his coach Laishram Ibomcha Singh, the Dronacharya awardee, who also groomed world champions like Mary Kom and Sarita Devi. Dinko not only inspired budding boxers in the Northeast, but also inspired Vijendra Singh far away in Haryana, who would go on to become India's first ever boxer to win a medal at Olympics. Speaking to the media after he received the news, Vijender claimed that he was attracted towards boxing after he saw Dinko winning the gold at the 1998 Asian Games. Indian boxing got the first glimpse of Dinko's talent at the 1989 Sub-Junior Nationals in Ambala, where he became a champion as a 10-year-old. He joined the Navy in 1995, but the crowning glory came when Dinko won the gold medal in 1998 at the 13th Asian Games in Bangkok. For his outstanding contribution, the Manipuri pugilist was bestowed the Arjuna Award in 1998 and conferred with Padma Shri, India's fourth highest civilian award, in 2013. Following the news of his demise, everyone sent their condolences for the Manipuri legend, including boxing champion MC Mary Kom, who called Dinko a true hero and added that his legacy will live on. Condolence messages also poured in from top political personalities, including Prime Minister Narendra Modi. News Desk Report, Northeast Live.